ke tša bophelo madimo ka moka dikgogakgogano ditsikitlano tša meno mathata le maima a lefase di tla ka the reality with the dolphin. He wena mosadi, nna ge ke gopola ka wena ke roromela pelo ke rothiša ya komelelo keledi ya mašiwana. Mogopolo wa ka wa o gopa bokale ga nata maikutlo a tsena ke komelelo ka bona mašolo a ka mmele a ela ka bodibeng madi a thito ya gago ye tlerogantšwego ka bona sefahlego sa gago mosadi se rathaganywa ka dingata meratha tša molekani yola a kilego a ikana pele ga mabitla le mangeloi gore o tlo go rata go šireletša a go hlompha go ya go ile go fihlela le kgaoganya ke lehu.
Hello, Mtasedu. Welcome back to the Reality with Dolphin. I am your host, Dolphin. If you are new to this channel, you already know the drill. Just click the subscription button, like, and of course, share this video. And obviously, if you would like me to be a safe space, also do not hesitate to contact me on these numbers below. 072-711-7917. Let me be that safe space for you. Limpopo, this is your turn. The time is actually approaching. So if you would like me to be a safe space in Limpopo, don't worry, I'm coming to Limpopo very soon. All you need to do is to hit me up on WhatsApp, send me a text message, summarize your story for me, your age, where do you stay, and then we'll take it from there. So guys, again, with our WhatsApp group, guys, you just have to text me on WhatsApp gore go ede ko groupung ya rena. Every Friday we do meditate. Every Friday, ra meditator basadi ba lla ba bolela ka mathata bona. The reason why it's private is because first of all it's taking my time, so hence ke le ka gopela gore obviously this 100 rand you're gonna pay it once. Like we patela high one fela, and then like every Friday we do meditate. It's more like a joining fee, if I'm not mistaken. So you just pay that 100 rand and join our WhatsApp group. Every week Friday, Friday we meditate, we share our stories privately. Like I always say, you don't need to come to the podcast. You can also hit me on WhatsApp or maybe on call, and together rapumulana. Today sizokhuluma isiZulu kodwa mina since I hear isiZulu but can't speak isiZulu, I'll be engaging with my guest whether in English or Sepedi, because according to her she understands Sepedi. Without further ado, let me give my guest the time to introduce herself to you guys, and I will be right back after. Okay. Ngikhona. Igama lami Dolphin. Wena igama lakho?
Igama lami uGugu Thembelihle Mchunu.
Oh, how old are you, Gugu?
36.
You're 36. Are you married?
No.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids?
2 kids.
Okay. Where do you come from?
KZN.
Ohlala kuphi? Where do you stay currently?
For now. Ngihlala eGalfontein Thembakosi.
Galfontein. Okay. Welcome to the Reality with Dolphin. She's not the one who wrote to me. I'm not sure if it's her neighbor or her friend. She's the one who actually reached out to us regarding your condition. So if you don't mind, just briefly introduce yourself to me. Ukhule kanjani? How did you grow up? Ubomntwana unjani? Just take me through your background.
Okay, mina kahle ukukhula kwami nje from mncane ngikhule ngihlala ekhaya kabo babami. Okay, ngesikhathi sakudala-ke abazali bethu umamami bebengamphathi kahle. Kunzima ukuthi angahlala nami ngithathwa ngisekhaya. Manje nasekhaya mangilokhu ngikhula impilo yagcina yabancane. Umama wasengithatha back ngahlala nomama. Hayi angaze ngabona inkinga ngahlala nomama ngaba right. Until ngakhula wazafika esikhathini sokuthi ngize ngibe nabantwana. But impilo nje yami nginenkinga yabantu like umuntu avele nje azonge nginyanya nje. Avele ngibheke nginyanya ngoba ngize ngibe nabantwana abayi-2 kahlahla bengingamele ngibe nabantwana abayi-2. I think ngabe nginabantwana abawu-6.
Why?
Bayangibulalela nje. Omunye bamdlisa, omunye bangenza miscarriage. Nje impilo yami nje ihlangahlangene.
Udliselwe bani?
Bakhona sihlala nabo khona lapha kunomunye nje umama wadlisa owayena 2 years wamdlisa shona.
Umntwana wakho.
Yebo. Manje nje impilo yami vele from lapho nje ngize ngibaso kahle dala bengifuna. Bengazi namanje betshela ukuthi bayaqeda ngami. Manje uNkulunkulu mayengakavumi. Akavumi.
Okay. And wena makutshela wena uresponda kanjani?
Mina ngiphendula lo wami ngithi mina nizwa yini ukuthi manihleli ninodwa nikhulume ngegama la. Why yena makafuna mayinenkinga nami angitshele because siphila sonke la mina ningekho nisemsebenzini. Intombazane ingakhombisa ukuthi iyakwata. Ivele ithuli mayizwa le ndaba le ithula ethi ya phela mina umuntu wenza ngathi ngiyamsaba phela mina ngimsabi. Mina like ngitshela ukuthi akangisabi ngokulo. Ngithi mina ngeke mina ngize ngishayelo. Athi one day ngizokubamba. Siyaxoxa lesikhathi asixabana. Hayi nakho ke sehamba ke wahamba waya le event. Ngizwa ama message njalo mesekhaya. Athi afuna ukungithola mina uzongibamba ngoba mina ngine problem ukuthi ngilokhuzana yonke into ngiyayichange ngoba phela ikhadi lalo behlala kuyo le ntombazana.
Maye indoda yakho. Oh, okay.
Behlala kuyo sengithi mina lo uyalala engadlile. Angisho uphakela lo ngoba nakhe thana nami wasamphakela ukudla. Sengithi ke mina hawu wena usungazuzulala ungadlile. Usebenza uhola and manje uholile. Why ungathenganga ukudla? Athi musingidla ngale. Sengikudla ngale. Sengiyayibuza mina intombazane ngithi mina hawu kuza kanjani umtheo ungamphakeli ukudla? Ekubeni umtheo uthenga ukudla ngapha. Athi mina ngingenaphi? Ngithi ngiyangena ngoba mina fanele ngithathe ukudla endlini ekhaya. Ukudla kwabantwana ngizonika umtheo kodwa umtheo unemali. Hayi suke le ntombazana le ikwati ishuthi ithethisa umtheo. Ngokwata ke ithethisa umtheo ithatha ikhadi mnike. Thatha ikhadi lakho. Athathe kumtheo ikhadi alinike mina. Ngisalisebenzisa ikhadi kanjalo sengithenga izinto lapha. Endlini ngipheke mina ukudla ngiphekele nga. Mayifika yena afika kuphake konke. Uwenza noma yini. Hayi ngithi mina ngimtshele lo mtheo ngithi hey la mele sithuthe la. Mofuna ukuthi ilokho nothando lwethu lube right. Mele shift la ntombazana la ayikho right. Hayi lo muntu la hana ndaba nawe wena just umnakile. Hayi lo muntu la nginalo ugazi lwakhe because uya pretend yonke into ayenzayo. Hayi umtheo wathi hayi u right lo muntu lo hana inkinga dala ngihlala naye mina. Akangipha mayingena endlini ngimkhuzu ugqoka izinto ezingaka.
Oh.
Angene ngithi mina hawu nina niphila kanjani? Why mangekho lo wahlala embedeni? Kodwa mangikhona akahlala embedeni. Kahlahle niphila yipi impilo la ngicela ningichazeleni. Hayi belokho bebusy bayenza so. Ayike nami engake ngoba phela ngeke uhlale ubekezelele into engekho. mina ngayibuza le ntombazane yaphakamela phezulu yaqala yarasa bese mina ngayithuka ayivele kwaba ngathi siyaxabana uthe mayibuye ekhaya esaxabananga nami mayenza si right ithi asiyeke lento senzayo hayi nami ngibe nalento ukuthi awuxolile lo muntu la ngeke saphinde sixabane hayi umuntu sithe kanjalo uma wakha noma wakha ingene le ndaba athi yazi ningabantwana nabatwana nani fanele niyeke lento enizamele nizwane athi mina hayi akunankinga hayi kanti kuyaplanwa ngami wabesuka lapho-ke ngalelo langa-ke kwenziwe leyo phaya yakhe khona njalo umama uhleli nabatwana bami lapha umama sukuma valelisa uthe mayiqeda lephaya leyo uyanginika shuku kunayiphaya mina ngisho ngihleli nabatwana bami ngiyihlephule mina iphaya nginika abatwana nami ngiyidle ngithi mangidla angibheke abona ukuthi vele athi hawu iqedile injani mina ngiyakhuluma ngithi mina yazi mnandi phaya yakhe athi hayi ngishayile hawu hayi futhi nami anginankinga after 2 days ngiyazisa ukuthi futhi akusi i2 days cause ebusuku besiqanga ngathi isisu ngibe nalento ukuthi ayinyongo ngi-ignore ngahamba ngaye emall bangiye emall kuhlangana nepetrol emotweni ngiyahlanza ngenzani hawu kahle kwenzakalani ngitshela ukuthi mina hayi maybe inyongo nje singanaki athi mama hayi maybe ubambile maybe uthatha isisu hawu naku sengiqala amafit sengiyawa mama bangithathe bengise eCasternoff sibhedlela hayi kube ngathi eCasternoff bengenze something bangitransfer bathi Thembisa bafike bangifaka ama-drip kube njani ngibuye phinde futhi ngiqale njalo isisa sikakakhukhumali just ngisangishudo lento lebesafuna indawo yokuhlala hayi ngilokho ngiphathwa amafithi lokho ngiyiwa-ke kancane ngiyawa hayi umama lokho ngisesibhedlela bese ngisesibhedlela ngahlala 1 week mangihlala 1 week sesibone isisu nasisakhukhumala sengivaleke neperiod angisayi ku-period vele ngaqala lapho nje waya-ke bangifaka something ngiyahlanza ayikho into evumayo mangidla or mangidla thola ukuthi into sengidle kakhulu iyabuya ayikho nje into esivuma-ke nje ngagcina
so bathi inkinga yini when you ask
esibhedlela angisho akufani ney'nyanga
ngisho esibhedlela what do they say
esibhedlela bathi ama-kidney namanzi
kodwa inkinga iqalile immediately after eating the pie that's where the problem started
since vele ngidla ipie
but I have to ask Chomine why did you eat the pie because angithi from the beginning ubunenkinga with this lady
angisho njengoba ngisho ukuthi lo muntu lo uthema kabuya kimi ubuye sekuwumuntu alright yabo ngaba nale themba lokuthi lo muntu la kasekho lapho kanti yena uyazi ukuthi mina uyena uyapretend ufuna ukugaina lento afuna ukuyigaina ngoba abantu beze basho la mangihamba emasontweni ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle befuna ukubhidliza leluthando mina enginalo nalo muntu lo ngoba lo muntu lo vela ngifuna uqamamanga izinto eziningi bese kangenzela manje indoda yakhe lo bayingasebenzi manje wabona ukuthi lo uzoba right ngidlule yena desayi wamosha yonke lento
okay so udlile pie waqeda wanikeza abantwana nabo badla bona banjani
lo mncane nakhona maybe yikho ngazi uvele waphihlika ilonda la uvele nje waphuma ilonda nasemzimbeni ziyaphuma masimo seclinic uphuza omunye umuthi unike eclinic
ubetter manje
yes ilonda lezala seziyaphola
and then mawuya enyangeni or esontweni bathini uyile for consultation, right? And then mabafika, mawufika bathini?
Mina phela mangiye elokuzaneni esotweni bangitshelile ukuthi wena udle iphayi uyinika umngani wakho. Kanti nibangani nomngani wakho. Samine ngiyachaza ukuthi lo muntu kahle bengingalwi naye mina. Uvele nje shuthi wangizonda nje. Because angaze ngithiwa maybe khonto engimenze yona ukuthi ngaze angidlisi. Ubengizonda, uvele wangizonda nje.
And then like what's inside your stomach?
Snake. Bathi ungifake inyoka la ngaphakathi.
Wena uwayizwa inyoka yakhona mayimuva.
Ngalesikhathi lesikokuqala ngisahlangana bengizwa ukuthi kunento emuva ngaphakathi.
Iqalile nini inkinga le?
Qale last year.
Last year when? Last year August. Uka ro tshwara ngwaga no mos. And then what happened to the guy, to the boyfriend?
Yena wayilokho wakhuluma ukuthi yena uzolokho enginika imali sihambe sizwe ebantwini. Manje akasafuni ukunginika imali.
Uhlala naye?
Angihlali naye manje usethatha omunye umfazi. Ngisho mina sengimoshayela.
What happened?
Uhlala nomunye umfazi.
Uhambe kanjani? Uhambe because of isiso sakho or he just left?
Uqale nje wangathi uyabekezela wagcina wava give up. Sehlala nomunye umfazi ngoba namanje imali bekayifaka noma engasanginaki. Kodwa manje akasangiphi. Vela ngitshene istory.
Do you have kids with him? Do you guys have kids together? You don't have kids? Oh, it was just a boyfriend and a girlfriend.
Benganayi girlfriend before bekumuntu nje engithandana naye. Manje laba ngisho bengafuni ukuthi ngithandane naye. Manje mabangafuni shuthi bamkhohlisa ke bamlandela intombi evenda. Tazohlala naye.
And then ahlala, and then she portrayed herself as your friend.
Yeah.
Then now do you have any regrets eating that pie?
Azani?
Ngisho kibe jwang wayithola for ja pie ela because I get you like this because of the pie. So wishanka bosanka wayija the pie.
Vele nginakho lokho ukuthi pie ngoba even noma ngilele uyavela nje intombazana straight.
Yo.
Iyavela straight izongiphi le. Noma like ngizama ukukhipha emqondweni nami ukuthi akusiwe uyongenzile but uyavela ukuthi uyongidlisile.
So angithi before uyiba nento le ngaphakathi, right? Ubomuntu nje ubonganankinga, like were you okay before?
Bengi-right bengisebenza nokusebenza.
Ubosebenza?
Bengi-right nje benganankinga nanguya bangazi.
Because like the question engifuna kuyi-askane gore go affected jwang this thing, because clearly obviously izinto zizochange. You know, how did that affect you?
Yazi mina ngendlela le ngigule ngayo ngizwe ubuhlungu ngoba ngithe mangizoqala lento bengiyithatha kancane nami, even noma mama beyithatha kancane mina lento ethi hayi izodlula. Manje ngiyabona esibhedlela abafani nenyanga. Namhlanje mangiya kule nyanga le bafike bengitshela ukuthi hayi unani unama kidney gcwele amanzi, kusasa bakutshela nesifo senhliziyo, kusasa une high blood. Yabo manje amaphilisi ongadla lesi too much and emzimbeni oyiwana. Yabo. And ayikho into engingayenza ngoba nami ngisuke ngifuna ukwenzela ama pain. Obviously mabathi unekhanda uzophuza ngoba wenzelana wenzela ukuphila. Manje yiwo la ngihlukumeza, angikho so mina ngisho nokuma angimuncananga so ngilinyazwa yini amaphilisi.
And then like abantwana, how did it affect abantwana bakho? Is situation khona manje injani? Is there anything echangileyo like emzimbeni wakho? Like what changed now?
Ngichangeile kakhulu nokuba nje ngimnyama so ne-shape ngichangeile vele.
Oh, you're not like this.
Ngikho so ngisho ngabona iy'thombe zami efonini akufani ne-different.
Okay, we will put her pictures here so that you can see the difference. Okay.
Yeah, hayi ngishintshile mina ngizibona ngishintshile shem the way ngingakhona.
And then abantwana
ba-right.
abantwana ba-right.
Ba-right abantwana. Just nje ngizwe ubuhlungu ngalo mncane ngoba bekumele ngabe uwenza i-grade R manje akekho umuntu ozomhambela esikoleni usegcina ukuhlela kafundi.
You know, mawukhuluma kanjeni i-situation yakho angithi wasazi thina abafazi kunabafazi ngaphandle indoda guys I don't know maybe I don't know but mabachita. Okay, what do you think about cheating? Because I want people to learn something from this episode.
Lo muntu bengithana naye sikhuluma uqinisa ukucheata.
Cheat.
Bengacheat.
Then okay, but it doesn't make sense. What do you think? Cheat vele?
Yeah, ba cheat.
Then why? Why ba fa mosadi o mongwe karata? You can come and speak here. So lona o chomile le ena ngwanyano.
Re tloela re tlhakana re no tota.
O nyaka phaelo ena. Oro ro nyaka phai.
Dangerous la ntombazana.
Dangerous ne?
Too much.
Oh. Wena ntlhalosetsa what happened? Wa ka mogotse bang. Okay.
Kukuthombile last year ho lwala ne. Then nna ke motse ba shitse mpa ha ile so. Ha tlo tlhalosa story wa bolela hore o jele pie from ngwanyana ba dula le yena po jarateng one. So le ha ya dikerekeng le gale ba mmotsa gore cause last ba attenda ba mmotsa gore ke se jiso ntweke mara ha ya spetlela ba mmotsa gore ke di-kidney ke metsi a tletse mmele ba phelela go mo pompa. So hana mo a kopa hore le boyfriend ke moshile motlogetse no dula le motho mong but then yena he was supportive like mathomong. So I don't know hore ke eng e mo changeleng monahano then ebe a move le mo ho dulang re dulang guys a movela to somewhere else but then ngwanyana o teng le boyfriend ta ngwanyana ba teng ba sharp and yena wa safara no so a gone walk a distance hore re tloga gateng re fitlhe mo it was difficult for her hore a fitlhe mooki o phela admitiwa sepetlela no ebile o ka re o petere o dutsenyana beke o tswa sepetlela ga le so a gona thuso ya e kry-ang. So because I always watch your video mo YouTube ke be ke mo recommendela ko wena ke re me ibutla ke re thuso ko then re tla bona re tla itse from there ho etsalang.
Then like o gone since o bolela hore a gone move for nako e telele bana ba hlokomela bang
ba le mama hae
o na mama hae
ba re test mama yo gona
ngwanyana wena ke motho mo tamang since wena mo tseba
ke motho mo shapo ra
wa phai
ya ke motho mo shapo for nna ha ke mmona o shapo like ebile ba bereka ko di-retail. So ha ke fihla kwa cause o ntlwaetse ba ke sa emile line if ke batla cashback o ndrela o shapo shemyana o babli wa coca lo coca ai a go ntshora ka etsa ntho and then she did it cause ba shupa yena everywhere.
The emibelo mo senyeja so ngwanyana o ne le motho
ngwanyana o na le motho
mara le bolela gore they were not dating then ke eng why a dirile ngwana batho so
o dirile ngwana batho so a ntse a dula le monna ko jarateng
why
cause ba tsela borotho ke tla bua jwalo ba ntšha dijo ka molomong cause o fitlhile a tseya card obviously card be tshwara ke ngwanyana So wa bona hore no ba re sa closure cause se tja le teng so re ke mo destroy. Yeah, ke bona ya.
This guy ke motho mo tamang.
Okay. The boyfriend. The boyfriend ke motho mo shapo. O inelang, o senang mathata. Like, yeah, ke motho mo shapo.
Then the time ma like ga ba mo jela karata. Ga ba mo fa karata like ma o ile na yo botheni.
Yo, ke learnile a lot. Hore like, even though motho, le ha o ka lwa le yena, a boya out of nowhere, a le friendly, don't take it. Cause a o itse hore o plan neng. Maybe ha sa o buledishe ke hona modulo tsa hae di sa keneng pele. The moment a eba le connection le wena, dilo tsa hae di mo goela sharp. So I learned a lot hore yo guys, ska tseya motho ha nyane. Yeah.
And then when I said, so what have you learned from this experience?
Mina ngibonile ukuthi umuntu uyachange. Like ngendlela yenze ngayo vele umuntu ngiyamesaba even now. Ngiyamesaba ngisho nabatwana so ngiyabatshela ukuthi ungadli nomuntu akupha ini ungathathi. Tshele kahle ukuthi hayi u right. Cause yazi mina nje ungenze futhi le muntu lo like ngathi ungenze idom so ngathi lento le ungenze like wangidoma ukuthi ngamcabangela intembi. Cause nje ngadla nje simple ngadla nje. Avela ngabona ukuthi yo ukufa. Yena vele bengibulala.
Slowly.
Bengibulala slowly bengibulala nje straight. Just mina nginabakithi la amadlozi. Senda kanjalo ngoba nasemasontweni bayasho ukuthi ukube bengomunye umuntu bekazofa. Manje uNkulunkulu wathi
Okay, ngifuna kukunikeza i-opportunity ne. We have spiritual people out there, you know. We have prophets, we have pastors, we have traditional healers, right? So, ngifuna ukuthi wena ukhulume nabo. And then I will take this video, I will actually post it on TikTok. Yeah, khuluma nabo.
manje ngisho ukuthi ngifunani. Mina vele ngifuna ukuthi lento le iphume la ngaphakathi.
Okay, let's start this like this, right? Ithi igama lami ubani ngihlupha inyoka inside my stomach. Ngicela isizo ya 1 2 3.
Okay. Igama lami nguGugu Thembelihle Mchunu. Ngicela usizo lokuthi bengisize ngokukhipha lenyoka la ngaphakathi ngoba kuthiwa inyoka lesiswini. Ngoba ayikho into engiyenzayo, ayikho ngihlale ngilele or ngihlale nje anginamsebenzi angenzi lutho nje. Mangiqala ukuthi ngiyanyakaza nayo isisu sihlale sisinda. Angidli mangidla ngadla kakhulu siba bhlungu isisu. Impilo yami nje incane kahle kahle. Incane kakhulu. Ngisho nengane angikwazi ngisho nokugeza umntwana ngoba mangigeza umntwana ngiyakhathala. Nje ngisho nombhedo kwendlula ngoba kumele ngime isikhathi eside. Ayikho into engiyenza angiwashi ngisho isitsha and lento ayingiphathi kahle. Thola ukuthi yonke into yenziwa umama ngiyafisa ukuyenza mana amandla awekho. I-distance ngeke ngisuke nje la ngithi ngegate. Vele mangisuka ngihamba ngiphumula ngize ngiyofika egate. Manje impilo yami incane. ngiyacela nkosami ofuna ukungisiza angisize. Angisayithandi nempilo engiyiphilayo njengamanje nazi izikole lo kuyaregister umntanami uzophinda ahlale futhi ngoba kumele kutholakala umuntu ozomhambela afune space. Manje mina mangihleli kaso umntwana naye uzoqhubeka ahlale. Hey mina ngishamse ngizwe ubuhlungu kakhulu.
Okay. Ngifuna ukuthi ukhulume lo sisi ne. Yeah. Ungamention igama lakhe. You know, just tell her how you feel, you know. Khuluma naye.
Longezile. Khuluma naye kanjani?
Ngibe kanjani?
Utshela ukuthi ufila kanjani after lento akuyenze yona.
Manje yena makayi uzoyibona musi.
Uzoyibona.
Ngifuna vele ayibone.
Abone ukuthi wenzeni kuwe.
Mina ngizoyichaza kanjani?
Khona manje mongahlangana naye ungathini?
Hey vele ngine-anger naye kakhulu.
That's why ngithi ikhiphe i-anger leyo. Angithi angeke ukhulume naye face to face.
Hayi mina vele mangahlangana naye ngizokhuluma naye.
Uzokhuluma naye manje.
Ngisho ngimboni.
Khuluma naye on the screen uzokubona ngithi uzoyibona ivideo le.
Yazi intombazane ngendlela enginyanya ngayo yo. Futhi angazi kuwenzakala mhlazana ngiyibona. Angazi serious.
Uyichange impilo yakho.
Kakhulu. Futhi uyishintshile waphinde wayimisa. Angazi ukuthi nje ngithini kahle kahle ngayo. And into ebuhlungu nabantwana.
Yena unabantwana.
Nabantwana abawu-3. And into efuka futhi angicike ngayo umntana ke lo mncane lo munye lo ulingana nalo mntanami lo okugcina. Uyafunda umntana wakhe wama kafundi.
Wena wakho afunda.
Hey,
this person actually ruined your life.
Yebo. Angiyifuni lento bazana. And phela lento lo uyenze nokuthi unomkhonyana wakhe ngoba unomkhonyana utshena abanye abantu ukuthi mina ungenyanya kabi. Owabuza banginyanyelana abazi and umkhonyana lokhu wesinamanje usakolode ekhaya. Bekaqashe ekhaya angabhadali. Kodwa manje sekuyo sethu yangenyanya. Sebewazi ukungibulala manje.
Yes. Okay, to traditional healers out there, to our pastors and prophets, please come forward and assist this beautiful lady. Ore never gidula limonaka, but ever like very long distance relationship. Sometimes it like chaka, you know, and then we look a feleja we tell na go long or ke feleja ke jadi karata ka bakalaure. Musadi shu mojara ding. Eba le karata ja monaka. Musadi shu eba phela le monaka o ka ba re kena musadi ya gagwe. Is that even possible, guys? Go ne ba sadi ba ba le sebete ba o swana le musadi o re bolelang ka ena. O ka khona o dula mpeteng wa musadi o mongwe vele. Na guys, ke lenne dilo tse dintšhi on this episode, and unfortunately ke dilo tse dingwe gore basadi re gatlhana le tsona. To banna out there, maabane be ke have a conversation with this lady. She's my friend. I fairly. So e be re bolela ka banna ba ileng gore ba cheater, you know. Gore it's okay. It's okay to cheat. If unya go cheater, but o seke wa tlisha side chick ya hao ka lapeng laka. I'm not saying her boyfriend eba a cheater, but iya tshwana inyakile o tshwana nyana in a way, because this lady eba dula mpeteng wa mosadi wa hae mo a robala le monna hae gona. Do you understand? Gore ngwanyana o eba snell the boundaries. She disrespected this woman. On top of that, a bona ale powerful. A feleja dirling, a feleja amo file pie, gore pie e fetoge noga ka ra dimpa tša gage. O re ke palela ko go cleaner. O re ga ke sa dira selo, ke palela le go hlapiša ngwana. The worst part, ngwana ka ga ye sekolong because of my situation. Motho wa mo dirileng this way ke a mother. ngwana hae wa sekolo ngwana hae o phela ga botse ngwana hae wa hema mara bana ba bangwe ba palla ko hema bana ba bangwe ba palla ko ga sekolong mind you go ntoya o affecta le ngwana ka. So witchcraft exists, guys. Hence ke phela ke advise batho gore every time, I don't care if you believe in prayer, I don't care na ke a ke ahlole batho a sena modimo mara emang ka maoto ka baka la gore lefase le boima lefase le thata. But I do trust my subscribers, I do trust our society. I know you will come through. Lena will call ba ileng gore ba se ba khone thusha our previous guest. Remember when le monno e ba re go phela le noga ka marading pa monno lo mphonetse last year are guess what Dolphin ke tlo reka koloi ke tla mo next year this year ke tlo tla mo ke rekile koloi modimo mosado le ba re go tshwenya ke moriti ba mothebutse o tshwenya ke moriti wa noga. Good Samaritan Tate Moremi, Dr. Moremi came forward and helped that woman. E ba re o tlo boa a tlo fa her testimony. It is possible. A re loeng le baloi baki. It is possible to change your situation. It is possible to fight for yourself. It is possible, especially if o ka dumela wa bia ka mo tlong ya gago ya gore moloi ga ne le matla ka ra bophelo baka. Moloi ga ne le matla ka ra bophelo baka. Do you understand? Anyway, so no, you've learned a lot from this episode, ne? Do you believe witchcraft exists?
I do.
You do.
I do.
Especially after this situation.
You do. Right. Then because they could have your man. How old are you? But you managed to text me.
O khopella mosadi mongwe thusho. You are so brave. I like you. To bana ba banyane ba ileng gore ba rata dilo tša lefase, right? I don't have a problem with ngwana rata dilo tša lefase, you know, but they don't pray, they don't do anything. What advice will you give them? Yeah, but no, you know, ba bana nje, they don't taka ya hao, ha ya rapela, ha e tsebe lo re boloi ba phela, when at least what's it. Ba bang they don't even believe or witchcraft ya phela.
Yo, it's nowadays who difficult to advise them at 2K. Rata dilo thata.
Why?
I don't know, Shem.
No, o ka ba advise gore nka especially ka bothata bo re tshwaraneng le bona no.
Aba no lebella mo ba yang. Like but nahanele ho ka sign cause life I feel le mo ke re ka se be bana forever. Mo pele ba tlo tlhakana le tšao ba palela. You rata dilo too much.
No man, as long as baka rapela, you know, as long as baka he we joy at having at least pray. He ke je ke ya dilong o tlo shireletsa.
Question is that ba hona rapela.
O ka ba tsebe.
No.
Ka ka ba tla le tselo tsa lefase.
Oh man. And then when what advice will you give basadi out there? You don't have any advice?
Advice ngisho
to abafazi.
Yemele advice engibanika yona mina ukuthi umuntu belumrespect. Umuntu ungamthathi kancane. Ungathi umuntu hayi mayenze so wezinto elokhuzane embi. Ushuthi ukahlahla umuntu akumele ukuthi uthi ufuna ukumbonisa ngendlela yakho. Ngoba uzogcina kulimala wena. Shuthi nje manje impilo omele uyiphile nomuntu u-right u-wrong kumele wena uhambelane naye. Maye wrong uvele ungamtsheli ukuthi u-wrong. Umyeke kanjalo. Ngoba mawuzozikhombisa wena ukuthi ngathi uyambonisa uyahamba. Sobona ukuthi amphazamisa. Manje nje umuntu nje kumele nje umhloniphi. Ngoba ngisho ngaba abangani for 20 years kodwa mawungathi uyambonisa uzoxabana.
Even friendship even friendships. And now from me, I think another thing that I took from this conversation, ke di chomi, you know, rata di chomi too much. When they don't believe who ikemela, but rata di chomi, like kore, I can't do this without my friend, you know. Even lo he ke jwa kerekeng ke botsa chomi ya ko rape chomi ke jwa kerekeng, you know. So guys, be careful of friends. Be careful of friends. Na ke le solo mpona ke le Dolphin. I don't have friends, guys. Ke no ba chomi yana je pedi je one, but the boundaries. I don't even call my friends every day. They know. Le bona ba mpha space ke a hema. So yeah, man, please disangoma are kopaneng ka moka re thusheng mosadi ya modimo ba ruti ba profeta ka moka ha re kopaneng bophelo bo ke bo botelele. I'm just glad that she's still alive, you know, because nka be lo mongwe nka ba a tlhokofetse. And if you'd like me to be a safe space, also do not hesitate to contact me on these numbers below: 0727117917. Let me be that safe space for you. Have a lovely day, and I say bye.
Akere go thwe lentšu la mohu ga le tshwene ba napa ba re pipa ka la gore ngwane a salle go hwela tharing jwalo goreng monna e le nku e swanetše go llela teng thari le gona ge re llela teng bokagare maimare a rweleng bophelong re tla kwela ke mang gobane pelo le yona e šetše gana re meletša mare go yona ka sello sa gore morwalo ke wa bohloko na nku sellela teng mogodi wa ka o tla soga difidi ya malemola go tletše mathata ka teng yaka pelo ya ka e tla bona ke mang ka diripa tše legolo mola dikeledi tša ka ge di ela marameng go thwe ke sota monna galle le be le tlo bona jwang thulano ya dikgopolo tša ka tša go ferekanya maikutlo tša go tlatša pefelo ya ba gona gore ke tla phela ka sebe sa go lefeletša bobe ka bobe ke mokalang ka para la go ba monna yo šuru le lebetše gore ke lena le rileng monna ke nku o llela teng ka gopola mosadi nna ka gopola mohlang wola o ya sepetlele ka morwalo wa boa o tekeleditše matsogo wa lebelega lesea la gana go phuphusela le ba gona go kgahla morei ya ba gona gore o fegeleditše dithaka madibeng wa lehlagolela lokana mmagongwana la re go gola la go hlaba bohloko ba tsena nameng pelong ya monna nhla ya ba ya lerumo pelong ya ba gona gore o tla inama sa go tshela wa re go kamela mo se tshelela go gona go iname wa kopana le mathata lefase a go gagauta fetišetšana ka wena monna ke tša bophelo madimo ka moka dikgogakgogano ditsikitlano tša meno mathata le maima lefase di tla ka the reality with the dolphin.